Hey everyone, it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and this is the video that everybody has been waiting for, the kickoff to Blinging in the New Year 2026. Are you ready? I love everyone who has come over to the Facebook group Blinging in the New Year 2026. Please check out the feature section at the top. It has some of our sponsors. It also has the registration link. If you're registering later in the event, you can register all the way through January 2026. Because we figured, you can do a 30 by 40 within the 26th and the 31st if you have the whole week off. You do have to register in order to win prizes, and we will get that information in just a few minutes. But I am so excited that you're here. Please, if you see this video and you're not a member of that Facebook group, Blinging in the New Year, I have the link down below. If you have not registered, I have the link down below. And if you found us through Facebook, please subscribe so that you can be alerted anytime a video goes up. There are 3 of us. So Blinging in the New Year has been around. This is our 6th year. Can you believe it? It started way back when I was like, oh, I need to learn how to bling out some of my paintings. And so I started it. I invited my friend Tia from Tia's Crazy Crafts, and then of course our sponsor, who I dearly love, Teemaw, she goes by Teemaw. Her name is Tina. She's over at DP with Sparklers. They are our co-host as well. So what you need to know: Facebook group Blinging in the New Year. Be a part of it. We're going to be posting things. We're going to be having a lot of fun there. However, it is a YouTube event. That's where you're going to get your prizes if you want. So please subscribe to both or all 3 of our channels. I will have the links down below as well. It's myself, DP Addiction Adventures. It's Tina, DP with Sparklers, and Tia's Crazy Crafts. So make sure you subscribe. Okay, so now what do you need to know? You need to grab a painting that has at least a 30 by 40 centimeter area that is not done. That translates roughly into a 12-inch by 16-inch area. So if you have a large painting that you've already started, you can use, if you at least have that much available for the month of January. If you want to start with a new start, you can do that as well. Okay, so that is rule number 1. There needs to be at least a 30 by 40 centimeter or 12 by 16 inch area available for you to be blinging out. I will say though, if you've already done the painting and you're learning how to bling and you start to bling this small area, then it might not be cohesive. If you've already started blinging and you're just here for the fun, then go for it. All right. So you decide what you want. Second rule. Okay. Second rule is you have to be registered to win prizes. You don't need to be registered just to have fun and watch and post and different things like that. But if you want a prize from one of our lives or a grand prize, you do need to be registered. So make sure to check out that registration link down below in the description or over on our Facebook group in that featured section. The last main rule of thumb is there needs to be 2 changes of not was originally charted. Okay, so if you have a painting that already has 2 aurora borealis or 2 crystals or 2 dust in there already charted, that does not count. It has to be 2 additional changes in your painting. Now, those changes can come from anywhere. So it can be from our sponsor, Tina, DP with Sparklers, or it can be from some of the other small businesses or large businesses around, or it can be from your own stash that you've kept. So, for instance, if I have a Diamond Art Club and I had extra bling left over, I can add it to this one. It also doesn't even have to be a special. We're just looking for changes. So if you're going to do skin tone changes, if you're going to change out a yellow flower for a pink flower, if you're going to do a blue tree instead of a green tree, whatever it may be. It doesn't have to actually be a special drill. It just needs to be a change. Okay. All right. So where do we go from here? Well, I want to introduce you to our sponsors. Our first sponsor is Captured by Radiance. They are our canvas sponsor and have offered to show us heart on sleeve and love imbued. So I am super excited. I am doing heart on sleeve, and the other one, Tina and Tia, are doing. And you do not have to have a Captured by Radiance in order to participate, but they are our amazing sponsors, and they are offering a discount code. Oh, it's the only discount code I did not write down. So let me check that out real quick while we're waiting. All right, I will put the code down below so that you do not have to worry about it. Okay, so that code will get you 20% off things on the website except for the new arrivals. So check out that code and use it. Go enjoy Captured by Radiance. They are phenomenal and our campus sponsors. Our tray sponsor is Ditsy's Diamond Den. Oh my goodness. Go check this out. It is absolutely beautiful. You are going to love it. Love it, love it, love it. So yes, absolutely check this out. Blinging in the new year, 2026, because you will want to be on the bandwagon with all of us enjoying this fabulous tray from Ditsy's Diamond Den. And then she has a trinket tray. I've got a piece of wax in there. A trinket tray, blinging in the new year. I mean, this is hardcore. This is not going anywhere. I recommend using this to put the specials that you've selected in it so that you know where your specials are at all times. But Ditsy's Diamond Den, I also have the link down below for you. Now, pens. This is the OG, the original Blinging in the New Year pen from Tia's Crazy Crafts. Well, actually, her business is Palm Pal Friends. So I will put the Facebook link down below, and then you need to message her if you want not only this pen, but she has so many more types of pens. Let me grab them for you. I mean, I don't have all of them, but they're absolutely beautiful. They are clay pens, and they feel great in your hand. Oh my goodness. Absolutely gorgeous. Super excited to have her as a co-host and also as a sponsor. Our putty, Tracy's DP World, came up with our own scent, champagne. Oh my goodness. So you need to go check her out. And she has a discount code just for us, Bling 2026. So make sure you go check her out. She has fabulous products there. And she also has, let me show you these things that she calls lily pads, which are phenomenal for blinging in the new year because these are for specials specifically. You know how you put your putty in your pen, right? And then you go to pick up an AB or a fairy dust and it doesn't work. It goes right back up with your pen, right? So these lily pads that she has have a little sponge in them, and you're going to get your putty damp. Okay, not wet, damp. And then it develops a way that you have still enough suction to pick up, enough sticky to pick up your drill from your tray, but not enough that the glue isn't going to take over. So it's going to leave your pen very nicely. So she has all these adorable little, and she creates them as cover minders as well, these adorable little tops to them. And she also has them in a larger size for your larger pens. Okay. That's also something else that can go in your trinket tray. So again, Tracy's DP World over on Etsy. I have the link down below, and the code is Bling 2026. All right, another co-host, Tina. She's also a sponsor with DP with Sparklers. Another thing that she has made are these. These are called Jerry McJiggers. They are so cool. They go on the corners, or they can formulate a square right on your painting, and these pull off your painting very nicely, and then you get those straight lines. Absolutely love them, but she made them in the colors of our Blinging in the New Year. So definitely check out DP with Sparklers, and Blinging, ing at the end, Blinging 26 is the 10% off code. Go check out the Jerry McJiggers, but also all the special drills that we're going to be going over all month can be found over there. She's got quads, she's got fairy dust, she's got crystals, she's got AB, she's got crystals with ABs, she's got confetti crystals, she's got pearls, she's got everything. So definitely go check her out. Make sure that you keep this on a tab as a favorite for yourself. Now, release papers. Crafts with Crashly, one of my besties and my sister. She is offering Blinging in the New Year release papers. If you use the link that I have given you below, it will automatically take 10% off at the end of your purchase. But what it also does is it's a link that helps me, gives me a little something so that I can use that money to ship gifts out to you. So down below is the affiliate link, but it gives you an automatic 10% off. She and Kerwin, her partner in crime, have done a fabulous job of this year's logo. And then we have Carissa's Craft Corner. Wonderful sponsor. She has also made a trinket tray. Check her out. I have the link for her down below as well, because this is going to be a fabulous, fabulous time. Now, what is going on? There are going to be 3 of us. Myself, Jennifer, with DP with Sparklers, Tina with Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures. Oh my goodness. And then Tina with DP with Sparklers. And then Tia, Crazy Craft. I think it's Crazy Craft Addiction. I don't know. I just have it favorites. So we are all going live every week. So Tia goes live Wednesdays at 10 p.m. Eastern. That's 6 p.m. Pacific. Okay? No, 7 p.m. 7 p.m. Pacific. So 10 p.m. Eastern, 7 p.m. Pacific. I go live Fridays at 9 p.m. Eastern. That's where I got the 6 p.m. Pacific, because I know my time. And then Tina with DP with Sparklers goes right after me at 10 p.m. Eastern. So we've got Tia on Wednesdays at 10 p.m. Eastern, myself on Fridays at 9 p.m. Eastern, and Tina at 10 p.m. Eastern. So there's 3 of us. You do not have to go to all 3 lives, okay? You can do hashtag replay. You could pick and choose what you want. There's just 3 of us doing it, but you do not have to go to all 3 lives, nor do you have to go to all 3 hashtag replays. We are just giving you plenty of material to check out or come back to, okay? So that's not a requirement. Now we are doing the giveaways in the lives. So if you want something except for the grand prize, you will need to come to the lives in order to get the giveaways. Okay, I think that's it for the kickoff. If I missed anything, put questions down in the comments. I'm more than happy to answer your questions. This is supposed to be a really easy, laid-back time. We are going to go over how to change out different drills. We're going to go over skin tones. We're going to go over what kinds of specials are out there. We're going to go over what works with water, what works with plants, what works with the sky, what works with faces, what works to draw light in, to reflect light, what provides movement. We're going to go like how to navigate the website. So that's just how it goes. Um, yeah, so there we go with that. And now, what am I going to do? You guys put in the comments on whether or not you wanted to come into one of our lives, actually live, and ask us questions. So we are going to pull 3 names, and then I will be contacting those 3 names to figure out which date works best for you, which channel, different things like that. Okay? So let me share my screen with you. Okay, so here we go. Actually, okay, so I figured out how to share my screen. Here we go. So what we did is we did numbers 1 through 37. We did the comments of the people who posted that they would want to come in the live. So this is a number generator, and I have number 1, and I'm going to put in 37. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to generate 3 numbers. And then we're going to go look and see who those numbers are. And those are the winners. If you are registered, I'll know your email. And in the next 24 to 48 hours, I will send you out an email and see how we can connect. So here we go. Generate 25. We have 25 is the first one. I'm going to write that down. All right, so then we're going to generate another one, 6, number 6. And then we're going to generate another one, number 33. Okay, so I'm going to stop sharing the screen, stop share, and then I'm going to go over to our Facebook page. And let's look up Blinging in the New Year. And we're going to go to featured, big announcement, all the comments. Okay, so let's go to number 6 because that is the, let me see here, number 6. Oh, so I'm going to share my screen so you don't think I'm making anything up here. All right. So number 6 is Rhonda. Rhonda. Okay, so Rhonda will be coming on one of our lives. Now we're going to go down to 25. See here, it's 19, 22, 26. All right, 25. So we have Stacy. Stacy. I think it's Guide right. All right, and then 33. So we're going to head down. Oh, got it right there. Joyce Blanc Murphy. So 33 is Joyce. All right, so I will be going over to the registration. I will be seeing if I have your email addresses and then sending you what the options are. It's either going to be Wednesday at 10 p.m. Eastern, Friday at 9 p.m. Eastern, or Friday at 10 p.m. Eastern, sometime in the month of January, depending on our rotation of other guests. And we will help you work through everything that you have going on your plate. So thank you so much for hanging in there with me for the kickoff tonight. If you have any questions, put the comments down below. I would love to answer them for you. I look forward to seeing you in just a couple days. Take care. Bye-bye.